Lenovo introduced the Z5 Pro, which is another slider for Android without notches, made for China, but with the main difference in its price, from $290 instead of $475 or more. This is mainly due to the fact that the device hosts Qualcomm's mid-range Snapdragon 710 chipset, but still gets an AMOLED screen of 2339x1080 of 6.39 inches, screen fingerprint reader, 6 GB of RAM, 1 battery of 3350 mAh, Nano dual slots SIM and NFC. There is also Dolby Atmos support through both speakers, but for wired headphones, you must plug in the supplied USB-C adapter to 3.5 mm. With the screen facing down, you will see the 16MP f/2.2 front camera of the Z5 Pro along with an 8MP infrared camera, and the latter will offer more precise facial recognition than the low-resolution infrared cameras used by the few competitors. But, of course, you can always use the fingerprint reader on the screen. The strange thing is that the handset here lies between the two front cameras instead of being on top, and since there is no audio transfer on the screen, you must slide the screen down each time you make a call. Even though the screen looks good without the earphone slot along the top edge,